Hello. Today we are going to be reviewing a critical function of the TOPS Pro software system. Specifically, that function is case sizing and the impact that case sizing and more appropriately optimized case sizing has on your pallet yield of product. And in this example today that we will be reviewing, we're going to assume we are a company utilizing TOPS Pro and trying to make a decision on if we should increase our case pack quantity from an 8-pack to a 12, 16, or 24-pack. Most critically, we need to understand our pallet yield of product for each one of those case pack amounts. And so let's begin. To start, just like any other TOPS Pro optimization, we begin by entering in our retail unit parameters, or our carton parameters in this particular instance. So we have length, width, height, and weight all defined in the system. And for this particular product, the brand owner can allow orientation either upright or standing vertical or flaps vertical like we see down here. We simply click OK and proceed to our next stage in the sequence, our Shipcase parameters dialog box. So in this screen, we are going to do a new optimization. You'll see that your dimensions are grayed out here, and that's on purpose. What new optimization means for us is we are going to allow TOPS Pro to recommend the optimized case size for our particular primary product or retail unit. RSC style box, C flute. Most critically down here, we're going to examine an 8-pack, 10-pack, 16, 18, and 24-pack. And if you recall from a few moments ago, our current case pack quantity is an 8-pack. So we're going to examine that here momentarily, and I simply click OK to continue on in my sequence. Finally, I click my unit load parameters. I define the pallet that I'm dropping my product onto, the maximum stack height for my pallet, and then any overhang allowances. In this particular instance, no overhang allowed. Next, we click OK. All right, we are ready to calculate, so you navigate to the bottom right of your screen and you click Calculate. And very quickly, TOPS Pro runs through its optimizations and is going to return critical data to you. Most critically, our pallet yield, and I'll draw your attention here to cartons on the unit load or retail units, primary product, what have you, to the pallet load. And very easily we can see that a 16-pack of product is indeed optimized based off the business rules that we have for this particular pack out. And by business rules, I mean overhang tolerance on the pallet, maximum stack height, things of that nature. In fact, we're getting just over 1,200 units on the pallet. And I've previously marked our 8-pack down here. This is our current pack out configuration for this particular brand owner. And it's an 8-pack and yields about 1,152 cartons on the pallet load. Still a good amount, but very easily we can see that our 16-pack up here with the product oriented on a slightly different dimension is actually going to increase our pallet yield by about 6.9%. And that's fairly significant for a single SKU pallet load. The way we can look at this is if we assume we ship 1 million units of this primary product here every year, by switching to a 16 count versus our 8-pack, which again you can see down here in your solution list, we're going to use about 57 less pallets to fulfill the equivalent amount of demand. And that's where the value of TOPS Pro really comes in, is in those pallet load savings via efficient case sizing. So from here, most certainly can generate an optimized pallet pattern, which we've already done, and reporting comes next. And in this case, we'll do a file print preview of an analysis report. And I have my print parameters predefined. I click OK, and I have my finished report available for generation. Thank you for watching today. More information can be found on our website, www.topseng.com.